I missed the perfect trade this morning. And it's not because I didn't see it, it's because I thought I knew better. The market moved, I didn't. I hesitated. And that's when that thought came back in my head. And I've had it for decades now. Trade what you see and not what you think. Simple. You know, I saw the trade, I was thinking,
Is that what you think?
that
It doesn't matter what you think!
okay, so overthinking is how you talk yourself out of a good trade. I used to do it constantly. Perfectionism is also another reason why you might talk yourself out of a trade. I would have 12 trend lines. I got 11 different indicators. I get on Twitter, I make a post, and I wait for one rando to come up there and say, yeah, that sound good right there. Let me tell you about a bad trade. The market was trading up. I'm trading NASDAQ. For those who don't know, I'm trading futures, right? Market was trading up. I'm like, it's about time for a pullback. You know, still going up. Imbalances being formed on the way up. Fair value gaps. They're on the way up. They keep going up. Nah, it's getting ready to reverse. There's no way they can keep taking this thing up, right? So what did I do? Didn't trade what I saw. I decided to go ahead and put in a short order to sell and set my stop way up there to be like, give it enough wiggle room, you know. I'm sure you can figure out what happened. By the time I had convinced myself, the move had already happened. It was gone. Do you even know who you are?
Me? I know who I am. I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude. What? You dudes don't know what dude he is.
Like, why are you waiting for all these different things just to find some sense of confidence to move forward? Thinking, let me tell you about the thinking part. Thinking is trying to guess the tops and bottoms. Thinking is doubting the clear trend. It's like, hey, I'm going up, but in your mind, you're like, nah, I don't believe it. Whole time, price is going up. Order flow is going up. Imbalances are being formed. Down moves are being respected the whole way, also known as order blocks, right? And then the FOMO of what should have happened will start to set in. And that's what starts to get on your nerves. Damn it, if I'd have just taken that trade right here when it showed me, I'd have been all right. Trading is simple. Recognize a trend, wait for the structure, and then move on your confirmation, whatever that may be. We're not going to get into it, but that's it. The market shows you exactly what it wants to do. But if you're busy thinking, you won't see it. And by the time I realized that I could have kind of readjust my position and my biases, it was done. And I was sitting there left wanting and in pain, suffering, alone, wondering why on earth would the world go gets me in my dream. For the longest time, man, I was trying to play checkers. I was a great checkers. It's online. It's an online app. Checkers Elite. Check it out. I'm Bruce Rain on there. You find me and I will kick yo. But for the longest time, man, I was a champ. You couldn't beat me. Nobody could beat me, right? But then all of a sudden, I stopped being able to play the game. And one day I'm playing, I'm like, dang, what is wrong? Why do I keep losing? And I realized it's because I'm anticipating the other player's move. I'm trying to outthink the other player. Right? Before, I was just responding to the other player. And then all of a sudden, when I figured it out, I'm like, all right, we're back. Let me go back and just respond to what they do as opposed to trying to create this ultimate, what's my man name from Naruto that's the advisor? Shikamaru, I think that's his name. Don't flame me if I got it wrong. It's been a minute. But you sitting there and you're trying to outthink, I'm 18 moves ahead. Nah, bro. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Just keep it simple. Whatever it tells you it's going to do, that's what it's going to do. It's not going to lie to you. I mean, sometimes it kind of throws you for a loop, but it's far few in between. If you understand structure, you're going to be all right. I would love to say, hey, man, once I fixed it, everything was straight. I'm still struggling with it. I'm going to keep it honest. It is a bad habit. I am a perfectionist. And as a perfectionist, trying to trade, it's a double-edged sword because you're never going to quite get it right. Nothing's ever going to be perfect, and you're waiting for that perfect moment, and that is something that I am currently struggling with. I have always struggled with it. You're not a fortune teller. You don't need to be. You don't get paid to predict. You get paid to respond. The longer you trade, the more you'll understand. This isn't about being able to predict the market. This isn't about trying to be smart. Say it with me. Trade what you see, not what you think. So if this resonated with you, drop me a comment below. Let me know how overthinking has cost you a win or wins. What are you doing to try to change it? And, you know, maybe what you say can help somebody else. That's what this is about, all right? We're a team out here, guys. Do me a favor, though. Please, on your way out, please hit the subscribe button. I got more content like this on the way, I promise you. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. Let's master this trading thing together. You need. Let's get it. Trading is simple. Recognize the trend, wait for the trust. Wait for the